So over here, you can see that I got a table with a bunch of data on it. And now let's see how we can group rows and columns. So over here, let's say I want to group out these two columns right here, which says name and product. So I'm just going to click and drag the CND. And if I were to right click right here, then what I can do is I can group column CND right here. So you can see that these two are now a group. If I were to press minus right here, then I can hide those data. And if I were to click plus right here, you can expand those data. You can also have multiple groups together. So let's say I want another group of C, D, and E, and F right here. So I can right click and I can group all the columns over here as well. So here I got a full group and here I got a mini group over here, as you can see. You want to add to a particular group, then you can simply go around and click on the column, right click and group column right here, and there you go. You can also go around over here onto other columns right here, right click and group column, and there you go, you got the group over there as well. If you want to right click this right here, then you can remove the group as well, just like this. And if I were to right click, you got different options, like you got collapse group and so forth, which you can use up. You can do the same with the rows as well. So I'm going to go around, select 4 of these rows right here, right click. And if I were to group the rows, this is what I have on the left side as well. So you can collapse and expand this out as well. And I can also go around over here. Let me just click here, click and drag this around over here, right click. And if I were to group the rows, then this is what I have. I can also go around over here, having multiple groups right here, right click. And then if I were to group rows, then this is what I have as well. So I can go around, select all of it together as well. And then I can group it out just like this. So let me just go around and then select out all the rows right here. And if I were to right click, group the rows, and this is what I have. I can collapse and expand this around over here just like that as well. You can press the plus button and this is what I have. And that is how you can group rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.